First of all, good afternoon, everyone. Tell me what we have done in the last lab.
સર પ્રેક્ટિકલ 1 ના ટેબલ ડિલીટ કરીને પાછા નવા બનાવ્યા હતા ને એમાં ઓલું એડ કર્યું હતું એન્ટ્રી બધી.
Okay. Have you created all four tables
યસ
with all data?
યસ સર.
Okay. So today we have to start the queries. Am I right?
યસ
Okay. Fine. Before starting, first of all, I would like to request Shrenik, unmute your mic, Shrenik. Shrenik Parekh, B2B2. Unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Have you received the Oracle credential?
What?
Oracle, so Oracle course certification credential, have you received?
No, sir.
Have you checked your email, official email ID?
Yes, I check.
It is already sent to you before 15 to 20 days. And continuously you are absent in a lab and lectures, so you don't know what to do with that your credential. First you check your official email ID. You received one email, and with that username and password you need to log in on Oracle Academy and start the learning for the Oracle certification.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir. Okay.
just 1 minute. Let me check whether this training is received or not.
I received your email.
Yes, Rachit sir email, not mine. Rachit sir sent one email to you. If not, then note down your username and password. I am pasting in a chat. OA91437846 is your username, and Oracle Academy is the initial password. When you log in with Oracle Academy, you will it will ask to change the password. So at that time, change your password and set your new password, and remember that password. Clear? And start progress on Oracle certification. If you do not know what is the importance of this, so let me introduce briefly. In a CSC 20 marks, you will have to earn Oracle certification. Clear?
સર અવાજ બરાબર નથી આવતો.
Umang, am I audible properly?
યસ સર.
Misal, am I audible properly?
Yes, sir.
Shrenik, check internet connection from your side.
હા સર એ નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ છે.
હા એ તો ભાઈ મને ખબર જ છે. બધા તું પેલી વખત આવસ ને લેબમાં એટલે તને નહીં ખબર બધી ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન બધી વસ્તુ બધા એક્સક્યુઝ પેલા ડિસ્કસ થઈ જ ગયા છે. આ તો અત્યારે તને એટલે કહું છું, પછી છેલ્લે એમ ન કહેતો કે મને નથી મળી. બરોબર? ઓકે.
એક્સક્યુઝ નથી પણ
એટલે આપણે જે આપ્યા નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ છે, વોઇસ ક્લિયર નથી, બાકી બધાને આવે તારે નથી આવતા.
એટલે
પછી
આવવાનું કારણ નથી કે નથી આવતો એટલે જ નથી આવતો. નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ હોય એટલે જ નથી આવતો.
હા એટલે મને ખબર જ છે, એટલે જ કહું છું બધું ડિસ્કસ કરેલું જ છે. એટલે તને ન ખબર હોય તો પહેલી વાર
હા
આ
એટલે જ
વસ્તુ
હું તમને કહું છું. ના ના હું પહેલી વાર નથી આવતો, આની પહેલા ઘણી વાર આવી ગયો છું, અટેન્ડ કરી લીધા જ મેં.
let me tell you your attendance. Don't argue before you regular attend the session first.
આ તો રેગ્યુલરી મારે હમણાં 2-3 વીક થયા નથી, બાકી એની પહેલા તો મેં અટેન્ડ કરેલા જ છે સર.
એને રેગ્યુલર નો કહેવાય ભાઈ.
હા તો સર નેટવર્ક
હજી
ઇશ્યુ હોય તો
આપણે-
નહીં આપું, એવું કઈ જરૂરી નથી અટેન્ડ કરવા મારે. અહીંયા નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ હોય તો મારે કરવું શું?
એટલે તો તને પર્સનલી કીધું ને કે તને ઈમેલ આવ્યો છે, એમાં લોગિન કરી ચેક કરી લેજે, બરોબર?
હા એ કરી લીધું છે, ઓકે ભલે.
ખોટી આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ કરમાં. મને ખબર છે તારી અટેન્ડન્સ મારી પાસે
ભલે હો.
બધી છે.
હા
ભલે
તો
ભલે
હોય તો
બોલ.
શું છે, રાખો તમારી પાસે.
શ્રેણિક બોલવામાં ભાન રાખ, બરોબર? બોલવાનો ટોન વ્યવસ્થિત રાખ. યુ આર ટોકિંગ ટુ ફેકલ્ટી.
ભલે ભલે ભલે.
And what about all D2Ds? Have you logged in with Oracle or not? First part. Okay, all D2Ds paste. Have you logged in? Yes. Umesh and Anand paste yes. If you are facing any problem, then just let me know. Eva, Anand, Nikhil, Fenil, Faisal, Umesh, Parth. Yes, I received 3. Yes, not yet, sir. Eva, are you facing any problem or it's still remaining from your side?
હેલો સર,
Yes.
એકચ્યુઅલી મને થોડું કંઈ સમજાતું નહોતું, તો મારે જે આમાં રેગ્યુલર સ્ટુડન્ટ છે ને એમાંથી કોઈ એક મને હેલ્પ કરવાનું હતું. તો 2 દિવસથી એવું થાય છે કે હું અવેલેબલ હોય ત્યારે એ નથી હોતું, અને જ્યારે એ અવેલેબલ હોય ત્યારે હું નથી હોતું. તો 1-2 દિવસમાં ટ્રાય કરી નાખીશ, હું કમ્પ્લીટ કરી દઈશ.
તું ખાલી લેબ મેન્યુઅલ જે અપલોડ કરી છે ને એ ફોલો કરીશ ને તોય સ્ટેપ્સ તારા થઈ જશે. અને બરોબર, અને જે પછી કઈ ન સમજણ પડે તો મને પૂછજો.
ઓકે સર, ડન.
Okay, let's start with the practical. So I hope all of you have created all 4 tables with data insertion. And today we have to start the queries. So first of all, yes, in the practical 3, we have created 4 tables, and then now using operators not between, in and not in operator, you need to solve these queries. So before going to start that query, first we need to understand the concept. So this is the concept, not between, and this. But first of all, let me ask if it is not visible, then just let me know. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So not, it's a very simple meaning, reverse of the condition. So this is our syntax: select columns from table name where not condition. It means whatever condition is there, it will be opposite. That is not. Same like the not operator. Select star from account where not city is equals to Ahmedabad. It means other than Ahmedabad city data you will get. So whenever we write select star from account where city is equals to Ahmedabad, it means we will get the data, those records whose city is equals to Ahmedabad. If we write simple not, it means other than this. सो जो भी कंडीशन है उसके अलावा हमें डेटा मिलेगा. सो दिस इज द नॉट. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द बिटवीन. सो बिटवीन ऑपरेटर इज यूज्ड व्हेनेवर वी हैव अ range. Whenever we have a range. In a between operator, begin values and end value both are inclusive, both are included. So let's see the syntax. Select columns, table name, where column name between value 1 and value 2. It means value 1 and value 2 both are inclusive in this range. So whatever column name is that and value from that column, if it is satisfied, then it will display that records. Let's see one example. Select star from account where balance between 500 and 1000. It means it will display those records whose balance is in between 500 to 1000. એટલે જેનું બેલેન્સ 500 થી લઈને 1000 હશે એટલાના રેકોર્ડ ડિસ્પ્લે કરાવશે. In between it means 500 include અને 1000 include. Clear? Now simple third one is the not between operator. It's the combination of not and between. Not it means opposite and between जो भी range है वो. So not between it means other than this range. So select star from account where balance not between 500 and 1000. So it will display those records whose balance is not in the range 500 to 1000. It means 500 and 1000 ની સિવાયના જે કંઈ બી હશે એ રેકોર્ડ ડિસ્પ્લે થશે not between. Clear? Next, in syntax. In syntax, it means till now we have written select star from account where column name or roll number is equals to 101 like this. But whenever we have options either A, B, C, D like this, at that time you can use the in operator. So here it is the syntax. Select column name from table name where column name in value 1, value 2, value 3. It means bracket માં જે વેલ્યુ આપ્યું છે એમાંથી કોઈ પણ વેલ્યુ હશે તો એ સેટિસ્ફાઈડ થશે અને એ રેકોર્ડ ડિસ્પ્લે કરાવશે. Let's take one example. Select star from installment where roll number in 5,2,3. It means it will display those records whose roll number is either 5 or 2 or 3. का 5 હશે का 2 હશે का 3 હશે એવાના રેકોર્ડ અહીંયા ડિસ્પ્લે થશે. ક્લિયર? પણ ત્રણેય કન્ડિશન અલગ અલગ ન લખવી પડે. લાઈક આનો અલ્ટરનેટિવ સોલ્યુશન શું છે એ હું બોલું. Select star from installment where roll number is equals to 5 or roll number is equals to 2 or roll number is equals to 3. You need to write like this, but shortcut is that in operator. Use in operator. Select star from installment where roll number is 5,2,3. Another example, amount in 5,000, 25,000, 30,000. It means જેની amount 5,000 હશે એવાય રેકોર્ડ્સ આવશે, જેની 25 હશે એવાય આવશે અને જેના 30,000 હશે એનાય આવશે. If I write not in, then other than this, that is the not in operator. If I write not in, then 5,000, 25,000 અને 30,000 સિવાય એટલે maybe 6,000 આવી શકે, 27,000 આવી શકે, 31,000 આવી શકે, 1,000 આવી શકે, કોઈ પણ વેલ્યુ other than this. આ બ્રેકેટમાં જેટલી વેલ્યુ આપી છે એના સિવાયની. Not in also. Clear? Is there any query? Okay, no query. Then next is the sysdate. Okay, for that I need to use the Apex account. Till now we have performed all the queries on a table. All the queries on particular table like account, loan, or a transaction, whatever. But now there is one table is temporary or dummy table, select star from dual. Dual is one table. Let me run this thing so you can get the idea. Column name is dummy and row data is X. It means dual is one temporary table which is having one row and one column. Temporary, it means after executing of this query, whatever data and column name is there will be destroyed. એટલે કે ટેમ્પરરી ટેબલ તમે આ ક્વેરી પૂરી કરો એટલે આની અંદર જે કંઈ ડેટા છે પૂરું. So this is dual table. What is the use of dual table? Like a system date, if you want to perform your date operation on a system date, or if you want to do some operation like 5 into 5, 3 plus 3, some mathematical expression, and no need to store permanently, then this dual table will be helpful. Okay. Next, sysdate. Sysdate. So, as name suggests, its meaning sysdate, it means system date. Sysdate, it means system dates. Whatever your system date is there, it will display. Let me run. So today is the 30 September 2020. Again, I am repeating that thing. It depends on a platform. With date format will be supported by the platform. જે platform date support કરશે date format એ પ્રમાણે અહીંયા ડિસ્પ્લે થશે. અત્યારે month પહેલા month dt yy એવી રીતે ડિસ્પ્લે થાય છે. Fine. Now, column name is sysdate. As you observe, earlier it was dummy and X is the data. Right now it's a sysdate is the column name and this one is the today's date. If I want to know the tomorrow's date, then simply put +1. We get the tomorrow's date. If you want to know the day before yesterday, it means બે દિવસ પહેલાની ડેટ જોવી હોય તો -2, 15 દિવસ પછીની જોવી હોય તો +15. આ રીતનું તમે કરી શકો. But if you observe, when I perform the operation expression sysdate +15, column name will be there sysdate +15. એટલે અહીંયા સપોઝ તમે લાંબુ લખો અહીંયા +1 +2 અને પછી રન કરાવો તો તમારે column name લાંબુ આવે. So whatever you have written in a dual table, that will be the column name in a output. If you want to change that thing, for example, the system date +15 is there. If you want to change that column name temporarily, not permanently, if you want to change that thing permanently, as you know, you can use the alter command. But if dual table is temporary and temporary તમારે table નું column name change કરવું હોય તો એક concept આવે. Remember this concept, that is alias name. એને alias name કહેવાય, alias. So how we can give alias name? So you can give that thing in a double quotation. For example, today. So now column name will be today. તમે જે કાંઈ પણ ડબલ કોટેશનમાં લખ્યું હશે એ કોલમ ઓપરેશન પછી એ વસ્તુ કોલમમાં રિફ્લેક્ટ થશે. ક્લિયર? Now another way to represent the alias name. Double quotation એક થઈ ગયું. બીજું as keyword. as space today. today ની બદલે હું ખાલી ડે રાખું એટલે તમને ડિફરન્શિએટ થાય. તો આવી ગયું. So better double quotation, because as keyword is used in a create table from another existing table. તો તમારે confusion થતું હોય તો double quotation use કરો. Otherwise it's fine. If you give the alias name, it's okay. If you do not give the alias name, then it's fine. But whenever we have operations like this, for example, I am doing here 15 + 15, then you will get the, let me remove the alias name and run. You will get the column name as a 15 plus 15. આવું column name ક્યારે possible ન હોય. So એના કરતા appropriate આપણે આપી દઈએ column name and then run. It is more suitable to previous one. Clear? So this type of expression you can also do it 15 into 15, 15 plus 15, whatever you want to do. So this is the sysdate and dual table and some operation on a dual table. Is there any query? You should respond.
No, sir.
Only 2 to 3 students are actively participate in a regularly lab. It means they are attending these sessions properly, and rest of students are coming for attendance only. Same thing is happening in a lecture also. Then after you are arguing and you are showing your level, please. Next, function based queries. So function based query, let me show you that thing. This table, transaction. Select start from transaction. Yes, in a transaction we have one column amount: 15,000, 25,000, 10,000, 5,000, and 30,000. If we want to see, we want to check which one is the minimum, which one is the maximum amount, average of this column, sum of this column, count the rows. At that time, you can use the different functions. Like an aggregate function, you can say that single row function. Sum, it will do the total of entire column and give the one answer. Minimum, out it will search the entire column and give the one answer, single answer. Minimum answer, maximum find karega. Count, it will count the total number of row. Average, do the total and find the average. Next function is power 2,3. It means 2 raised to 3. 2 to power 3. Means it will give the 8. Power is mathematical function. Power 2 raised to 3. Next, SQRT 25. It means square root. As you know, this all are the mathematical function. It's a very simple. SQRT 25. Now let me give you one example. Sum of AMP. Column name that you need to write in the bracket. Our column name is AMP. Then run it. Sum of AMP as a column name, it's 85,000, but it's look little bit different. So we can give the alias name. Whenever you use this type of function, preferable is alias name. If I found the average, then it will give the average. Then count, total number of rows 5. Minimum amount will be 3,000, sorry 5,000, and maximum I think 30,000. Yes, it's 30,000. Clear? Next, power 2,3. 8. On a transaction table, we have implied that, that's why. So dual will give once only. Yeah, same like that. SQRT. Done. So up to this, any query, any doubt? If no, then here it is your question. First, detail specified information from the account holder who are not in Ahmedabad like this. You are able to perform up to the, yes, one more thing is missing, up to the 10th query. But before starting the query, let me give you one more thing to you, that is length. Length is one function, string function length, length. Whatever I will write in a bracket, it will find the length of that string. So 6. So this is the length function. It will give the total number of character length of that string, whatever you have written in a single quotation. Clear? So now you are able to do the up to the, not up to the 10th query, up to the 10th query, then function based query up to the 9th query. એટલે ફંક્શન બેઝ ની 9 ક્વેરી અને પહેલાની 10 ક્વેરી સુધી તમે કરી શકશો. એટલે વન બાય વન રાઈટ નાઉ આઈ એમ ગિવિંગ યુ 10 મિનિટ્સ, એટલે તમે થોડા આગળ થઈ જાઓ અને પછી વન બાય વન આપણે સોલ્વ કરશું. સ્ટાર્ટ પરફોર્મિંગ. Okay, paste the answer for first query. Paste the answer for first query. Yes, this is the correct answer. Select star from account where not city is equals to under. Good. Fine. Perform the second one. Take the answer of second. Paste the answer for second. You need to use the operators in, not in, between, not between, not in. So Misal, your query is right. You can perform and you will get the answer by this query. But as mentioned in the practical, use the using operator. So use the not in operator. Similarly, yes, Corolla, use the operator. So this is the correct answer. Most of you have given the correct. Select star from account where city not in into bracket Ahmedabad, comma Vadodara. It means વડોદરા અને અમદાવાદ સિવાયના સિટી જે હશે એનો રેકોર્ડ તમને ડિસ્પ્લે થશે. ઓકે, પરફોર્મ ધી થર્ડ વન. If you have done, then paste the answer. Let's start from reference. Umang, every time you need to write account underscore new instead of that you why you are not changing the table name by using the rename. And then rename કરીને account રાખી દે દર વખતે તારે લખવું ને account underscore. Okay, it's correct. Go for the fourth one. in this query nothing is new, only you need to write the not before the between. Okay, paste your answer. Paste your answer, and if you have done, then go for the fifth one. I got only three answers for the next. Paste the answer. It's yes. Make sure your column name is correct. Balance or amount. Few of you have written an amount, or few of you have written the balance. I think it should be amount. Otherwise, query is correct. 5 and 6 which table will you use? Five and 6. Okay. Displaying those records, use amount is 5,000. You can use the installment table in a fifth, in a sixth. You can also use the installment table in both. Let me paste the correct answer. It's all about the just column name and table name. Otherwise, syntax is perfectly fine. Okay, it's I'm not I'm not taking any objection, but I am just telling you that you should take care. I will see the syntax only because અમુક સ્ટુડન્ટ છે ટેબલ ને જેમ અકાઉન્ટ ન્યુ લીધું હતું અકાઉન્ટ અંડરસ્કોર નું હતું એવી રીતે કોલમ માં કોક થોડા હાથે હાથે 1.5 થયા હોય તો ચેન્જ કર્યું હોય મેબી તો વાંધો નહીં એ રીતે લખો પણ એક્ઝામ માં ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો. And sixth one is the similar way. Need to put only not. Okay, paste the answer for sixth one also. Simply put the not before the E. Next, seventh one. I am also pasting the answer so rest of student can cross verify those who are doing late. Go for the next one, seventh one. It's a very simple already clear. This cuts select is straight from below. That's fine.